Earth. It is the third planet from the Sun and home to all known human life. However, human activity and natural warming have caused ocean and atmospheric variability, which leads to higher intensity of storms that damage our ecosystems, habitats, and cities. The United States, in specific Galveston, Texas, is vulnerable because the majority of hurricanes start in these tropical regions where the water and temperature is high. In some cases, these storms gather around the Gulf of Mexico as well, which serves as a gas station to refuel the storms and give them more energy. These storms then travel to the states and cities like Galveston, Texas, or even travel up the Atlantic coastline to cause havoc. Not only this, but more heat in the water leads to more energy for storms, which can lead to high intensity precipitation, thunderstorms, and tornadoes. Over $1 billion in damages have accumulated over the past 25 years from thunderstorms and tornadoes. Now, this impacts different communities all across the coast. This Gulf of Mexico region will experience more intense storms and precipitation, which can destroy communities, cause storm surges, and even flooding. Just like California, Texas is set to get less snow and experience droughts in more dry climates. But with increased temperature in atmospheric rivers, there is a possible solution to these droughts as the atmospheric rivers make up a large amount of the future precipitation. Lastly, there are no real solutions to controlling weather. However, one thing we can control is limiting our carbon footprint. This will release less greenhouse gases, which heat up the atmosphere and tamper with the global temperature, leading to all these extreme storms and climate changes. If there's one thing we can walk away with, it is limit how much you harm the earth, and earth will limit how much it harms you.